Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know.
So hi my friends, good morning. Earlier today, I went to my tia's house to ask some stem cuttings of her mulberry tree. So lucky enough, she gave me a lot. So I got my mulberry cuttings for free. See, I have plenty. So they said growing cuttings from mulberry trees is not that hard, so I'll try my luck today. So hopefully I'm successful with this. And so we'll start. Of course, we need our cuttings. The clear plastic bag. This will serve as their mini greenhouse, which I'm gonna show you guys later. And of course, we need the damp soil. I already put the hole at the bottom to make sure the excess water will drain here. So we'll start. So I just made a cut and leave at least about 2 centimeters below the node. And then we'll just place our the stem. So now I'm going to place this clear plastic bag over the top of the pot. So place this plastic. And then we'll secure the plastic with a rubber band to make sure this plastic will stay in place. So this plastic will serve as our mini greenhouse. This will help keep the moisture in until our stem cuttings will start to root. There you go. May I like to blow in some air. See, it's like this. So this pot will stay in a shaded area until it roots. So every now and then I have to check if the stem dried out. That means it's dead, which hopefully not. So it's gonna look like this, guys. We're gonna do with this, we're gonna put this in a fully shaded area and wait until at least maybe 2 to 3 weeks and see if the leaves are starting to grow and the roots is visible. So for now, this is already good, like this. It's like we're incubating them. So this will make the rooting process faster. That's what they said. I don't know how true, because it's my first time doing this. So I'll just give it a try. So hopefully this one is successful. I was able to plant 45 mulberry cuttings. So not bad. So it's been an hour of working on them. So now I'm done. I'm gonna place all this seedlings in a shaded area.
There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you're never
guys an update after 2 to 3 weeks, okay? So bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.
I love the way